First, I'll open Etsy and type first birthday invitation in the search bar. You can see there are a lot of designs showing up here. I can also see the ratings. This one has a 4.9 rating and more than 4,000 reviews. I'm going to click on this listing and see what the shop is doing. It shows that 15 people already have this item in their basket. If I scroll down, I can see this shop is 4 years old and has generated over 61,000 sales. And they mostly sell invitation cards, so in this video, we are going to create a similar invitation card so that we can sell it as a Canva template on Etsy. Now let's go to Canva. I'll click on Create and search for Invitaten. Then I'll select Invitation Portrait. First, I'm going to rename this document to Invitation Card. Now I'm going to start designing. I click on Text and type the first letter. Let's resize it and adjust the position. Then make a copy and paste it for the other letters, which are U and N. Now, I'll select the F and go to the font, click on Bold, and choose a nice font. I'm going to go with this one and click Change All. So the same font applies to all 3 letters. Then I'll adjust the alignment and position properly. Now I need a kids color palette, so let's open Google and search for kids color palette. I'll click on the images and choose one palette from here. I'm going to click, copy this image, go back to Canva, and paste it here. Now let's give each letter a different color. I'm going to use the color picker tool to apply different colors to all the letters. After that, I'll duplicate this text and change it to a B. I'll adjust the position and alignment and use the same color palette for this letter as well. I'm going to make this one a little smaller and align it under the U. Now let's duplicate the top text again and change it to O and E. The colors are applied differently because we're using the same palette again. I'll select the O and group it, then I'll select the font and group it again and center everything properly. We don't need this color palette anymore, so we're going to delete it. Then let's select all the text, go to Position, and align it both vertically and horizontally automatically. Now I'm going to add some birthday elements. I'll go to Canva. Let's add some birthday elements now. Let's go to Elements in Canva and search for some fun elements. I'll click on See All and pick a fun element from here. Let's place it on one side, duplicate it, and flip it horizontally to adjust it on the other side. Go back to Elements and search for balloons. Pick the one you like. I'm going to go with this one. Put it on one side and do the same for this one. Duplicate it and place it on the other side as well. Now I'm going to add more text. I'll insert a text box and type, "Please join us to celebrate." I'll duplicate it and change the text to Sarah's first birthday. Then I'll go to the font options, pick a better font, and make it a bit bigger. Let's duplicate the text one more time to add the time and venue details. Next, I'm going to create the template link. I click on Share, then click on these three dots and select the template link option. I'll click on Create Template Link and copy this link. Now let's open Google Docs and paste the link here. I'm going to write the instructions for the buyer. Step 1 is to open a link. Step 2, click on View Template. Step 3, make your changes and download it as a PDF. When the buyer opens the link, they'll see this View Template option. And once they click it, the design will open in their Canva account where they can edit it. After making changes, they can go to Share and download it as a PDF, print, or PNG. Now, I'm going to create a mock-up just like this Etsy listing. Let's go back to Canva and download this design as a PNG file. Then I'll create a new file, search for invitation again, and choose this option. Now drag and drop the PNG file that we just downloaded. Go to Elements and search for Hand Mockup. I'm going to choose this mockup that has a card frame. Place it on the Canva and stretch it to the edges. Then click on Position and select Send to Back. Now drag this invitation design into the frame, and the mockup will be ready. Next, I'm going to download this as a PNG and upload it to my catalog. And that's how you can create a Canva template and sell it on Etsy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.